In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan a video brief that converts. Before you press record, a clear brief keeps your message focused and your team aligned. Start by nailing your topic and goal. Decide exactly what the video is about and the single outcome you want. Are viewers learning a skill, discovering a product, or taking a next step? Write it in one sentence you can measure, so later you'll know if the video worked. Tie it to a clear pain point and a simple promise, and decide how you'll measure success: views, watch time, clicks, or signups. Next, choose the platform and length. Different platforms reward different pacing. YouTube gives you room for depth. TikTok and Instagram favor quick hits. Match your runtime to attention spans and any platform limits. If you're unsure, plan a short hook up front and save details for a follow-up or description links. Plan aspect ratio, captions, and safe areas for text, because each platform crops differently and many viewers watch with the sound off. Then lock in tone and style: educational, funny, cinematic, documentary, uplifting, or dark. Pick one that fits both your audience and the topic. Keep tone consistent from opener to closing line so the experience feels intentional, and make sure it matches your brand's voice. If you have references you like, link them in the brief so everyone shares the same picture. Select the voiceover approach. Decide on male or female, the accent, and the delivery: calm, energetic, or authoritative. Picture your audience and choose a voice they'll trust. Add pronunciation notes and pacing cues in your script to avoid retakes. If you're mixing an AI voice with a human host or using multiple speakers, label each part and mark transitions. Plan the music. Choose tracks that support the tone without overwhelming the dialogue. Upbeat suits tutorials and product reveals. Motivational works for transformations. Mysterious underscores investigations. Set volume lower than the voice and note where you want music to rise, fall, or pause. Outline the visuals. Describe specific shots, camera moves, graphics, and on-screen text. If you want a camera pan over mountains or close-ups of hands, state it clearly. Define the mood and list anything to avoid so the set, wardrobe, and color grade stay on brand. A quick storyboard or shot list makes filming efficient and keeps B-roll purposeful. Finally, craft a clear call to action. Tell viewers exactly what to do and why now. Subscribe, visit a link, download a guide, or make a purchase. Keep it short, repeat it once, and show it on screen. Pair the ask with an end screen, pinned comment, or on-screen QR so action is frictionless. Put all of this into one document your team can reference, and you'll move from idea to final cut with fewer revisions. You can duplicate this framework for any project, from shorts to long form. If this walkthrough helped, follow for more practical guides and start drafting your next brief today.